What's up, y'all, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with another hair review, and this hair review is sponsored by Nadula hair. Shout out to the girls, shout out to Nadula, okay, because this install, y'all, I have never been more excited to record a freaking voiceover for a hair video. Like, I'm rocking the hair right now as we speak, and might I add, this is bomb, y'all. If y'all want to know how I got these voluminous curls with a flat iron, keep on watching this video. How I got this install, how I got the baby hairs laid, how they laying, and just the overall install. Like, this wig, we gonna get into all the details, but just know you girls and the Nadula, they freaking did the dang on thing. Links in the description box. Go get the wig right now, sis. Just go get the wig and then keep watching this video. All right, y'all, we jumping right into it. So as I'm showing y'all everything that came in my package, I'm gonna be going ahead and just giving y'all a little bit of details on the hair. So this is a 24-inch 13x4 straight lace frontal wig by Nadula hair. And baby, it was given 26, 28 inches, okay? Like 24 inches weird. It feel like I got more length. So I don't know. I'm gonna have all the details in the description box like I told y'all, but this is a 13x4. I'm just showing y'all what makeup I use on my ball cap and on the lace. This wig was just fitting. It was like just fitting from ear to ear, so that was perfect. They also said that they sent me over 150% density. Y'all, it's giving 180. Like, I don't know if it's just their company and the lengths are just longer, hair is fuller. Like, I don't really know, but I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. I love this hair. I cannot stress enough how much I love this hair, y'all. Like, straight out the package, I showed y'all in the beginning. If you were a little bit confused, I just showed y'all some clips of actually the hair straight out the package and then after I bleached it. Now it's bleached pretty okay. I could have went over them again, but I really just didn't feel like it. I used a 30 volume developer and they got bleached enough, about 20 minutes for me. So yeah, y'all, that was that. And other than that, the hair's super soft. It just, lace was just lacing. I had to, of course, use my makeup to make it a little bit darker because as y'all can see, it's giving like a brown lace kind of. But I'm pretty sure this might be a HD lace wig, or if it's not, it's most likely transparent. This is not HD lace. Most likely transparent, but y'all, this install came out so good and I'm just so excited. So let me just actually explain to y'all what I'm doing. So y'all know I use boho. I used about 2 or 3 layers of that, really thin layers. And y'all just see me pressing it in with the rat tail comb. So yeah, I'm just blow drying that on cool. I believe I did cool and warm for the temperatures. Your girl was jamming, listening to her music, as y'all could see. Face was beat. I was feeling this, y'all, and I'm not gonna lie, I took my time, and I think that's why I'm so excited about how this install came out, because when your girl take her time, like I'm not gonna lie, I shocked myself with this install, y'all, and I didn't even pluck the lace. Like, she didn't even have to pluck the lace. I usually pluck my lace, but y'all, I was so eager to put this wig on and like film this video for y'all. I wasn't even thinking, like, girl, the wig's still in a box. You ain't bleached it. You ain't plucked it. You ain't did nothing to the unit. And like, I had my ball cap on, makeup, face was beat, ready to put the wig on, y'all. But I had to go ahead and, of course, whip up my bleach and bleach the knots and wash the hair before I can actually install it, of course. So by the time I did that, child, I didn't feel like tweezing the hair. I didn't feel like plucking the hairline. So I didn't. I was just like, you know what? My plan was actually to pluck the hair on my head. That was actually the plan, but your girl ain't even do that. So this is what the hair is giving straight out the box. If you want to install it, you sure can. After bleaching the knots, I definitely recommend you bleach the knots. They were pretty thin, but still noticeable. So yeah. Anyways, still just laying the lace. I cut the lace off. Now I'm using my hot comb, of course, my bestie. I also did not know what I wanted to do as far as styling the wig, because I'm getting I was kind of over, like, since it's a straight unit, which to me it appeared to be like had a little wave to it, but that's besides the point. Like I said, all the information, exact information on this wig will be in the description box down below for y'all to shop. I 100% recommend y'all do. But what was I talking about, child? See, when you talk a lot and you talk kind of fast. Oh, anyways, I didn't know how I wanted to style a wig at first. This is a true 13x4, y'all, so you don't get no side part in space, but I still finessed it and did a little flip over, like fake little side part. But at first I was like I said, the wig is straight, and I'm tired of like the bust down middle parts. I love my bust down middle parts, but as far as like these videos go and just what I'm feeling, I wanted to switch it up. So at first I was like, okay, half up, half down. That really wasn't working out for me. I was getting a little bit frustrated. I couldn't get it to just look how I wanted it to look. So y'all just kind of see me playing around with the like half up, half down type of thing. So anyways, I just end up doing a side part. And so y'all see me taking out the baby hairs. The key for like my side part baby hairs is literally taking out baby hairs that are like right in the middle of that part, if that makes sense. Like y'all see how the little fake part that I did, not fake part, it's just not a full part. The part that I did is in the middle of like all the baby hairs. That is the look I was going for because I'm doing a side part. And then of course I did my sideburns, just, you know, my typical one on each side. So y'all see me tweezing them. This is the only plucking literally that I did. I did not pluck the hairline like I told y'all, and it turned out pretty good in my opinion. So now y'all see me curling these quote unquote baby hairs. And I am going to end up cutting them down because I always do them too long, because you can always, you know, cut them shorter, but once you cut them, you can't go back. So yeah. And I actually use mousse this time to lay my baby hairs, which I really, really liked. Y'all know I usually use Got To Be glue and a little bit of that. You can get the fluffy baby hair look multiple different ways, y'all. Honestly, you could just, there's no right or wrong way to do well, I don't know. It just depends on your look. So y'all just see I love using the comb side of my edge brush, and I'm going in like a little C motion. Like I'm kind of curled, like, you know, I don't know. It's all on the flick of the wrist. Y'all just got to look. Like, but y'all can see I'm trying to do them in like little C shape. And that's how I get the desired look that I was going for. So yeah, that's basically it on these, y'all. But yes, look at the lace. Like I literally did not. You could kind of tell I didn't pluck. Like it's not giving that super pluck look. But I didn't mind it because it was still laid. Like still really, really laid. So yeah, and by the way, everything that I use will be in the description box from now on of my hair videos. I do have an Amazon storefront where I link all of the hair stuff that I use if y'all are interested in that, just so I don't have to explain every product, and it's kind of just, it's repetitive. So like I'll just have it down there, everything that I use, but I usually do name the stuff as I go. It's the same few products, y'all. But yeah, now I'm just curling the sideburns, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. Don't mind a piece in the back. I didn't cut that little piece of lace that be in the back. I forgot to. But just ignore that because the curls covered it up anyway. So I'm finishing up my baby hairs, y'all, and or adult hairs, whatever you want to call them. And by now I was like, oh yes, ma'am. Yeah, Nadula. Yeah. And the hair, y'all, it was so full, like 150. And it was full. It was the perfect fullness for me, in my opinion. Like it gave that density, but it wasn't too thick, and it wasn't thin at all. Like I just love this hair. And the length was given your girl about 5'7.5", and this hair is definitely down my back. It's so pretty. Bella, don't do that. So y'all see me just fixing the baby hairs a little bit and just playing with the hair. I'm feeling it. It was just blow dry. I'm like, how do I want to style it? Do I want to do crims? Do I want to do curls? I knew I didn't want it straight, so I was like, okay, it's gonna be one of the two. I'm just showing y'all again, like, look at how full the hair look. Like, look at it. It's giving blowout. It's giving silk press. It's giving, yeah. So of course I went in with my flat irons, and I did decide to do some curls. This is about my favorite way to curl. It's super duper easy. Y'all can just kind of watch what I'm doing. I'm literally just taking my time. I think the key to the best curls, which I noticed as I was curling my hair, is to take your time and go slow with the flat iron and make sure the heat is distributing throughout all of the hair. But I just flip it up and away from my face, and I don't know. I think y'all can just watch better than I can explain. So yeah, I ain't gonna take all day though, because I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me curl my hair all day, but I am gonna just show y'all a few clips of me curling the hair so y'all can get a gist of the process. And I also put layers in the hair. I am not a hairstylist, so I just take a razor and do the best I can with layers, because curls do look really good with layers. They look the best with layers. So I just put a few little layers in the hair. And y'all see me doing this flipping method with the flat iron. Also went in with some hair shears and just went over that as well. And just like that, it's giving curls for the girls. Real simple, real easy. I kind of wanted the effortless, like little curl, little waves, put something in the hair. And I'm just using my Frizz Buster Fantasia. I think it's by Fantasia, like a Frizz Buster. Or I think, nope, I'm lying. It's by Olive Oil. And that's just like a little serum. And y'all, this is what the hair is giving. She didn't plug. She just came to install, still slayed. I took my time. And I just really love this hair. I think the hair and the lace makes the install, if you ask me. You do not need to be a professional to install some lace, like really. Like I said, the information on this wig will be in the description box down below. I highly recommend this hair. Thank you so much, Nadula, for working with me with this video. Y'all did the dang thing. Hit your girl up again if y'all trying to collaborate again. I definitely recommend y'all to shop with them. They have really good quality hair, and I just enjoy my experience installing this hair. So yeah, y'all just see me dancing, jamming, showing y'all the hair. I feel like I've covered all areas of the hair. So yeah, like I said, check out the Amazon storefront if you are ever interested in like exact products I use. Make sure you shop with the links down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.